Hello, all you lovely computer scientists. Today's... no, man, that's the wrong series, actually. I just got confused with, the 3 lines of code series. I'm used to doing that. Anyway, well, today we're going to be showing off, iteration and loops in pseudocode. Just the for loop today. Anyway, yeah, that's about it. So, no matter if you're on an A-level course, a GCSE course, could be BTEC, could be O-level, whatever, or even an apprenticeship in certain computer science sectors, you will end up using pseudocode. And within any kind of coding, there are almost 3 constants which you need: defining, selection, iteration. So, can you choose your options? Can you make the options? And can you do stuff multiple times without making it multiple times? Pseudocode is no different, as it has iteration too. With pseudocode, you obviously have your begin, end. Good practice to always add them in before you finish. You'll define, so we'll just make a variable. And then you also your iteration. We'll just show off a for loop today. So for I equals to 1, 2, and then you put what number you want, however many times you want to loop by. I like 7. Then you obviously indent, and then make it do whatever you want it to do. So our output variable we made. Then obviously, with any pseudocode thing, you have to end it. End for. Now you might think, well, if ifs also have end if, and fors have end fors, what happens if you had an if inside of for? Which one goes first? It's rather simple, it just goes based on the layer of indentation. So if I had if var is equal to var, then you need to double indent once again. Output var, and then end if. You shouldn't put it after the end for, it should be on the same level of indentation and on the same inside thing. You should not put the end for before the end if it's inside the for, and vice versa. Thank you all very much for watching the video. I do hope you enjoyed, and I hope you found the joke at the beginning a bit funny. I don't know why I got confused like that, but it was funny to me at least. So, yeah, thank you.